Is life's busy schedule getting in the way of you taking control of your fitness? Do you have a demanding boss, or maybe your kids go to practice or lessons after school? If that's the case, don't worry. We all have reasons why we have a hard time getting into the gym. And that's why we create workouts just like this for people like you. Hi, my name is Earl, and today here at E3 Strength, I'm going to be going over all the exercises from a brand new bodyweight workout that you can use at home to burn fat in 30 minutes or less. Now, if you're new or newer to working out, I recommend that you go and look at some of our older workouts, linked right here, so you can get started on the right foot. Now, if you're looking to step up your workouts, this is the one for you. Today, we're going to be introducing the concept of a ladder. With the ladder, we're going to have you guys doing a few more sets and a few more reps than you're used to, so be sure to go to the link in the description below and get that PDF so you can see the reps that you should be doing. It looks like this. Now, before we get to our ladder, we've got to get warmed up. So we're going to start by sitting on the floor, and we're going to be doing a 90-degree hip and hamstring mobility. So my goal is to get my legs open at 90 degrees. That may be a challenge for you, so do the best that you can. Now from here, all we're going to do is start working on some thoracic rotation while pressing our knees to the floor to get some hamstring lengthening and stretching. So you're going to rotate one hand to opposite foot, and we have it listed that you're going to do 5 of these per side. Once you've done that, you're then going to go with the overhead reach to open up your lats, stretch your shoulders, and get things moving for the upper body. And again, 5 per side with this move as well. Before we get to our ladder, we're starting with a giant set of exercises. And our first one is going to be an alternating pistol squat. Now you're going to grab a door frame or just a door handle as it extends out to you to use to assist yourself. But for today's case, I'm going to be using this upright from Monroe's rack system. All you're going to do is either with one hand or two hands assist yourself, one leg out, drop down as low as you can, back up. Same thing on your other side, alternating legs each time for the reps that we have listed. From there, we're going to be going with a book dip. So, I need a book. Alright, so I found a couple books that I'm going to use. You can use one thick book or a couple small thin ones like this, and this is what we're going to use to block ourselves up for our next 2 exercises. Set them on the floor, and you're going to sit your waist right in between your stack or singular books. Now from this point, with a slight bend in your knees, all you're going to do is straighten your arms and then touch your butt. You're never going to fully sit back down. And you're doing this for 20 reps, so it's going to catch up with you pretty quick. Since I've already done a little bit of tricep work today, I'm already feeling it right back here. Your next move is going to be an L-sit. We're going to show you 2 versions so that you can get the most out of this exercise. If you're feeling froggy and you think you can handle it, your goal is to push up in that dip position, and then you're going to pick your legs off the ground. You're going to be holding this for 20 seconds first, then 25 and 30 on your next 2 sets. Now, that looked pretty hard, right? It's because it was. So if you can't keep your feet off the ground the whole time, you're going to touch your heels lightly to the floor like I'm doing here. And as you can hear by the shakiness in my voice, my core is still engaged and I'm still working really hard. And that completes your first giant set. So now it's time for the ladder. Now be sure to get your reps from the very bottom of the workout PDF in the description below. The table looks a little like this. Your first exercise is a rotating side plank. You're going to follow it up with a jump squat and a plank up down. So if you're looking at that small table at the bottom, you'll see that it's 1 rep, 20 reps, and then 1 rep. I'm going to show you that and go right into my next set because you guys should be going through all 5 sets back to back with little to no reps. So let's go over the first 2 sets. The first is a rotating side plank. 1, 1. I'm going to quickly hop up, and I've got 20 jump squats. 19, 18, 17. We're going to pretend like I finished that all the way to 20. And now we're going to hop back down for a plank up down for 1 rep. In the plank position, 1, and then you're going to hop back to the rotating side plank. Again, arms crossed, 1, 1. This time we're going to 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, and I'm going to hop right up. 18 jump squats, 17, 16, you get the gist. And then back down for 3 plank up downs. That's 1, 2, 3. Pretty quick, right? You're going to do that for 3 more sets after that, and make sure you're actually doing the full number of jump squats. Today's finisher is going to finish off the arms, core, and legs all in one move. We're gonna be doing a plank out, but we're gonna do 2 sets because as you notice from the ladder, it moves pretty quick, so you might have a little extra time. 2 sets of 15 plank outs. From a standing position, squat down, walk out into a full plank, walk back, stand tall. That's 1 rep, you'll do 15, rest as little as you can, and get right back in your very last set. And that's the end of your workout. If you thought that this was helpful, click this button right here, right on top of my shirt, to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great workouts. And be sure to check out more additional workouts from us here at E3, here or here. Thanks.